Ever feel like your paycheck disappears the moment it hits your account? You promise yourself you'll start saving next month, but somehow next month never comes. Between rising prices, scary headlines, and endless online advice, money starts to feel overwhelming instead of empowering. We're taught to chase shortcuts, quick wins, perfect timing, overnight success. Society says, just invest and everything will work out, even if debt and fear are still weighing you down. That's when money stops being logical and starts becoming emotional. Doing nothing feels safe, but it quietly steals your future. Time passes, inflation eats away your dollars, and regret gets heavier every year. The real risk isn't starting small, it's never starting at all. What if the biggest thing holding you back from wealth isn't your income, but your habits? Hey, I'm Ethan, and this is Ethan's Money Library, Building Wealth, one book at a time. This video is for educational purposes only, and today I'll break down the baby steps from the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. So stay with me, hit subscribe, and let's build a calmer, more confident financial future together. Before investing, before paying off every debt, there's one move that comes first. Baby step 1 is about building a small emergency fund as fast as you can. This isn't about getting rich, it's about giving yourself breathing room when life throws a punch. The goal is simple: save $1,000 as quickly as possible. That money turns flat tires, broken phones, and surprise bills into inconveniences instead of disasters. It's like a seatbelt, you hope you never need it, but you're thankful every time you do. The biggest mistake people make is skipping this step and going straight to debt payoff or investing. When life happens, and it always does, they fall right back into debt. As James Clear says, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Welcome to baby step 2, where we stop pretending debt is normal and start attacking it head on. This step is about clearing the weight that's been holding you down for years. If debt feels heavy, that's because it is, and today, we fight back. Here's the plan. List every non-mortgage debt from smallest to largest and attack the smallest one first. When you knock out a balance, you gain momentum, and momentum is more powerful than motivation. Each paid-off bill is a brick removed from your chest. Most people fail here because they wait to feel ready, but action creates motivation, not the other way around. Like cleaning a messy room, you start with one corner and suddenly everything changes. Remember, habits feel light until they become chains that are too heavy to break. Today we move into baby step 3, where money stops being stressful and starts feeling steady. This step is about turning a small safety net into real stability. It's the moment you stop reacting to life and start standing strong. Baby step 3 means saving 3 to 6 months of basic living expenses. This isn't about getting rich, it's about buying peace of mind. When life throws a curveball, you don't panic because you're prepared. This is when job stress fades because desperation is gone. The danger here is stopping too early just because things feel okay. Real peace comes from preparation, not luck. This is where the journey shifts from survival to growth. Baby step 4 is about investing consistently, even when it feels boring or slow. Over time, those small, steady investments quietly build real freedom. Baby step 5 is planning for education without destroying your future. You prepare ahead instead of borrowing stress from tomorrow. It's about opening doors for the next generation, not chaining them to debt. Baby step 6 is paying off your home early. When the house is paid for, your income finally belongs to you. That's when money stops being a master and becomes a powerful tool. Let's recap the journey. You started with protection, building a small emergency fund so life's surprises don't knock you down. Then you eliminated debt, breaking free from payments that drained your future. Next, you built stability, creating real peace of mind. And finally, you learned to grow with intention, investing, planning, and building long-term wealth. Remember this: wealth isn't built by luck, it's built by consistency. If this video helped you, like it so more people can find it. Subscribe for practical money lessons you can actually use. And share this video with someone who feels stuck right now. Now I want to hear from you which baby step feels the hardest, and where are you personally stuck? Let's talk in the comments. This is Ethan's Money Library, Building Wealth, one book at a time. Remember, small steps today create a life you'll thank yourself for tomorrow.